so that all the goodies and dividends of democracy, we shall enjoy it. We are going to succeed. I sincerely appreciate all of you for coming today. And then, allow me to return back to the language that is spoken in the heaven. The only language that is spoken in the heaven is Ibira language. Now, why eka nebira langwen hene asisi na je asisi na mitatara yanoko yonora nene ene eyere nebira zamwen va zota ivonin avia netanoku dianazota via netaningala dianazota via ensure kaya sobanyewa all the due respect ya sewa ya pacify nene ya mewa usuru atwa heve ekwihio election are ne ononore anawo eko ododo sibetechire asimebire eda asimi Kogi eda asimi APC eda asimi Tinubu eda asime hoidoni ya do wo asime eza agoveka azene esika kaka oida ona wetebiran o continue ene esika kaka ene kwamkata yeten agowabo we kana iduren kukunyi party osa etebira ajen APC kana party onohi one kana akokunyin agowabo abia baibe via minebe diele so me tobede koida ba oninio aba onana besakaraka tazana omere o mori osera ba babe ema horowo do dashon udo banyene huna ne Tinubu ba se meka jeme ndi sonya na onen Mashoje demi va benewe anene abanda ya ni Kogi na bokogo ya baibe abanda ya ni Kogi na bokogo ya baibe abanegara arana na bokogo ya banebe atanoku nene arana na bokogo ya baibe abanda ya nebira anabo kugo ya baibe owadarayo agoberirema eyaka ezirema agoberirema eyaka ezirema eilewo eje ibeneze eiraware na na Kogi na bokogo ya baibe na bokogo ya baibe na ya ni Kogi na bokogo ya baibe owadarayo agoberirema eyaka ezirema agoberirema eyaka ezirema eilewo eje ibeneze eirawanye eje ibananye na nebira bokogo ya baibe na nebira maibo agoberira ya aka ezirema agoberirema ema Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Eba jarada nene jarada. Osono ni majan. Yashis yala kose osiye. Ay. Yala kose osiye. Oyewa. Oh, Otaro Ijamume. Ijamume. Okay. Oh, Adebi Rababa, Abase Vareconon, the Mubo. Adebi Rababa, Abase Vareconon, the Mubo. Ozi Vonera Soeda, and why are not even a raw. Ozi Vonera Soeda, and why are not even a raw. And I'm already never say, no, Hunaya. And I'm already never say, no, Hunaya. A man in a regular on your own nevato. A man in a regular on your own nevato. Okay, I read in a gueta. Okay, I no yadi na gueta. A manager, the major, getting it. Eba, a manager, the major, getting it. Is another, Avarola. I don't know who the Dilly Vaneva. All right, but I'm on I don't ever. Oh, yeah. It's protocol, and you do me because of stampede. I don't want anybody. I don't want stampede here today. Thank you.
Thank you. APC! Are we tired? APC! APC! Arene! Honorable Eke Salihu! Honorable Idris Mohamed Lawal! And other decampees to come forward for His Excellency's blessing. Honorable Eke Salihu and other decampees from Okene, Ajakuta, Idris Lawal and others. Just come.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Incoming, please. Make your speech.
APC! Abeg, I want to hear you loud. APC! APC! Your Excellency, my mentor, my leader, my benefactor, my role model, the executive governor of Kogi State, the chairman of our great party, Honorable Abdullahi Dollar, the Minister for Steel Development, the senators, both serving and past, the House of Rep, both serving and past, the House of Assembly, both serving and past here present, the local government chairman, employed by the Algon chairman, Honorable Taufik, the Jagaban of Kogi State. My mother, my sister, Hajia Halima, every other critical stakeholders here present, my running mate, Your Excellency, permit me to specifically and particularly recognize my beautiful wife. Your Excellency, I want to congratulate His Excellencies President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, His Excellency Vice President Kashim Shettima,
His Excellency, my mentor, Alhaji Yahya Bello, and all of us on the unanimous verdict of the Supreme Court that has upheld the victory of our great party. Your Excellency, the victory has further energized our commitment. The winning streak of APC must continue, and it will continue come November 11, 2023. Today, we have come to thank you for all the support you have given us in the past 7 years. We have come to thank you for appreciating the work His Excellency, our leader, Alhaji Yahya Bello, have done to the good people of Kogi State, ranging from security, education, healthcare, infrastructure, human capital development, and above all, the elimination of violence, crimes, and communal crises. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as I have said and I will continue to tell you, this mandate is the mandate for the people. This mandate is a mandate for Kogi United. It's a mandate for the development of our dear state. And as such, we are coming to build on the legacies of His Excellency Alhaji Yahya Bello under the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President. I want to assure you that we will continue to run a peaceful campaign. We will continue to run an issue-based campaign because His Excellency, our leader, has done a lot for us here in Kogi State that we should be able to use to convince and campaign to our people why APC should be the only adopted political party as far as Kogi State is concerned. I want to assure you that we are going to run a campaign that will reflect the unity of our dear state as laid down by His Excellency Alhaji Yahya Bello. I have a mandate. My father, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and my leader, my mentor, His Excellency Alhaji Yahya Bello, has given me a mandate. And as such, you will not see me on social media. You will not see me on television for now, because we are not idle. We are very serious and committed people. And the people of Kogi State, they are waiting for me to hit the ground running. Every candidate learn from their father and their leader. I am learning and I will continue to learn from our father, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and my leader, my mentor, my benefactor, His Excellency Alhaji Yahya Bello. His Excellency in 2019 won his election not on social media. Our father, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, won his election not on social media but on consultation with our critical stakeholder. Hence, our resolve to consult with our stakeholders both within and outside, irrespective of your religion, irrespective of your ethnic background or political line, because we want to see and call a state of our own where all the critical stakeholders of our day state, we come together on round table as one united family to discuss the affair of our day state for greatness and for the benefit of our people. Kogi State borders 10 commercial cities. Kogi State is so blessed with numerous mineral deposits and in commercial quantity. What do we want God to do for us? And as such, my scorecard is with my leader, my mentor. I will not be distracted. I will be consulting. Whoever wants to see me, to talk to me or to talk to you, come down to the nooks and crannies of our day state where we are consulting because we are coming to serve our people. That is one of the mandates His Excellency has given me. And as such, I don't have time. I am not a noise maker. My leader, His Excellency, is an action man. And we are coming to take a lead so that we can build on his legacies. So tell those social media candidates that we are too busy to have their time. I am a qualified chartered accountant. I believe in the transformative power of knowledge as been taught by my leader, and as such, I don't have time for social media as they are calling me. I will come, but not now. So, please, Kogi State is APC. APC is Kogi State. Nobody should scare you. Come out November 11 to cast your vote 100% for APC, and make sure you protect your vote. Make sure your vote counts. Don't be scared. Nobody should intimidate you. We will continue to preach peace because we will build, we don't destroy. We benefit when there is peace. We don't excel while there is crisis. Crisis is not our portion. I want to sincerely appreciate you all, and by the special grace of God, I will not disappoint you. Your Excellency, please permit me to revert to the language of the people. And I am Abanabira anye inine. Eunanyane anye inini. Euni youth anye inini. Mako nene. Kanyarai. Da nyari Kogi. Da nyare bira. Da nyaro isi. Mes kama kao nini ka. Ajini. Kogi. Etebira. Ora nyada, ora leader. Our leader, our father, honor His Excellency Alhaji Bello. Your Excellency, sir. Better na mani bakwa ane. Bako kena kuwa. Then I appreciate how. Ka bukoro izana ume. Twete bila. Ene shawe ene seko. Agubika. Umemidive. Umane. We kukuzo so. Umani apana wa ure abedi dai akwa wa ha bugwai akwa du ha ume horebe enyirade odole hira eku akuku janwa he anokoko re kokoko yako omori ba so wakata o mako nene adai Tinubu ahim okae na Wene poka umukolo sutope uto Vice President hime oka sutopoka uto National Chairman hime oka sutopoka uto Adamana mame Onyamana mame okukusim gabadaya sibichire wo Ebilanu minyi ana agome wero kamado ho na nene Do ahi Ebilani mi nyana ya gomi emowoto ye Ebilani mi nyana ya gomi emowoto ye Ewa kama hona no welo kame vado Ma abolisi ye welo kama
Hey, okay, Ebilani mi nyana ya gomi emowoto ye
Aba Adi mbele misho Ena washona Are ne asajazi ekui yono eje ya naren ekui yono ya na siru leader anabogai ka abiso metoti Kogi ya appreciate am agowe kajin overhead bridge konya papa anai Kogi ono meni yako adabara yako anyaruse usoni yade mukoro is a waka mandate on mandate to govern Oziburo onobe anin ejaudu ene adaye ke salihu abeni era ave abai banaru sonyara adai lawa laja kuta onora re ive agwabo isi kujezi 11 awa ma kwa ba onene awa
Oka ebirane me nyana gome emo wata ye ebirane me nyana gome emo wata ye akemaba ina no welo kameba do akemaba ina no welo kameba do olosi ni ye bezu kata kaire maamuri si ye bezu kata kaire ebirane me nyana gome emo wata ye ebirane me nyana gome emo wata ye ebirane me nyana gome emo wata ye akemaba ina no welo kameba do akemaba ina no welo kameba do olosi mi dini ye Yesu kata kaide ya borisi ye Yesu kata kaide abo obodo mala